you sick and tired of shaving like a man with a pink razor that was not designed for you? Hi, my name's Amanda. Time to bring back a razor that actually worked from the 1970s, which became the #1 selling razor in the world for women. 5 Star Shave Club, a razor finally worthy of 5-star reviews that actually does what it says it does. And that means we've struck gold. Problem: multiple angled blades, price, cuts, razor burn and bumps, replacement having to get out of the shower, products too many pre and post. Our solution: wire wrap blades, wet shave using just soap, dry shave on the go, zero irritation, replace a dull razor even in the shower, save money and time with a monthly subscription. What's so unique about this razor? 5 single straight specialty blades wrapped in stainless steel microwire, requiring custom machinery to make. All refills inside one now disposable cartridge. To access the new blade, simply rotate the cartridge clockwise every 6 days. Revamped unisex design, a different kind of handle and refill style. As you can see, the cartridge loads inside the handle and rotates, showing the blade number through the display window. Our business model: subscription service e-commerce. Several monthly plans, $14 to $125. Our starter kit includes handle, refill, and soap, all for $16. Our competitive advantage: we're one-of-a-kind organic products, PETA licensing, zero irritation, lowest refill price, made in the USA, and using recycled plastics, making us the first green razor company to market. The razor has a cult-like following since being discontinued. The market is open to bringing it back. Men will even want to use this razor. 5-Star Elements, selling soap, bath bomb, body butter, body lotion, and body oil. How 5-Star Elements competes with the competitors are Lush and Bath and Body Works. How 5-Star Elements competes: no animal testing, vegan products with premium ingredients, limited selection, easy to focus, gift-driven and travel-sized products, expanding collections into retail stores. We can grow our wholesale and brand. Our competitors do not sell wholesale, giving us an advantage. The market size: a $19 to $20 billion global bath and shower market. Shaving holds the largest market share in the grooming category, 42%. 5-Star Shave Club and 5-Star Elements hope to gain a small market percentage. Our marketing strategy: wholesale our products and starter kit. We're speaking to Urban Outfitters for a retail order to sell our starter kits wholesale at $7. These mystery beauty subscription bundle companies, Ipsy, FabFitFun, and Glossybox, want our razor. This is a great way to introduce our razors to customers risk-free and is a win-win for marketing direct to consumers. Also advertising on social media, New York subways, target major cities: New York, Chicago, Dallas, Los Angeles, and San Francisco. Market validation: Dollar Shave Club, founded in 2012, raised subscription monthly fees to $19.30 after being acquired by Unilever July 2016 for $1 billion. They hold 3 million plus customers. Harry's, founded in 2012, raised $100 million to purchase a razor blade manufacturer in their first year. They were so successful. They hold 3 million plus customers. Flamingo launched in September 2018, which is a women's division of Harry's brand. They hold 3 million plus customers. Billy, founded November 2017, another women's shave club, raised $35 million by 2019 before being acquired by Procter & Gamble January 2020 for an undisclosed amount. They're showing steady growth. There is money to be made in subscription services. Razors are proving to be a hot category for consumers. User testimonials: 98% of reviews from Amazon on the original razor were 5 stars. Works great. They were the best. It doesn't cut your legs. Love it. Bought these for my daughter as her first razor. Perfect for targeting girls just starting to shave. Our team: myself, Amanda Murray, founder and CEO, 20 years of fashion design, sales, private label, and creative development experience. Ruth Orbra, COO, extensive experience working in e-commerce with digital planning and marketing, supply chain planner for Johnson & Johnson, beauty brands Neutrogena and Aveeno, assistant pricing director and digital merchant at Macy's, formerly Miss Rhode Island. Luis Fiera, executive assistant and office coordinator, wardrobe at Cosmopolitan, sales at Louis Vuitton, and stylist for Madonna. We are all hardworking, goal-driven, and excited to start the company. Financial year one. Our razor and cartridge are unique to the market, giving 5-Star Shave Club an edge for investment opportunity. We are seeking 1.5 million, projecting to sell 92,000 starter kits, generating 1.4 million gross. With 500 units to sell, we can gross 7 million in revenue. Our core product is the refill cartridge. You can see our website at the link below on the next page. Thank you.
Thank you, Amanda. Are there any questions for Amanda?
I have a question about the recycled plastic.
Yes.
What are you partnering with a company who's been willing? That's been difficult out here.
I found a company that's willing to use food grade plastic to make the razors.
Oh, good. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Just curious. Yeah.
It's interesting that nobody makes them recycled.
Yes, we're involved in a lot of cleanup of plastics in open waterways, and razors are definitely one of the high incidence items that we find in open water, for sure.
I would love to start a recycling program. I'm just not sure about putting blades in, a package and mailing it back. It's not the most ideal thing to put in the mail.
Right, but the plastics themselves, just like getting them out of the user stream, is really great. So I appreciate that up front.
I'm hoping to change the viewpoint of all the razor companies and make them use recycled plastics, which would then get the stuff out of the ocean.
Absolutely. No, it's great. I think that's where we have to work on that rather than the recycling end. So it's very, very good.
I agree.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
What is your growth strategy?
I'm sorry, what is my what strategy?
Growth strategy. So basically you're using subscription, like, a lot of business model is a proven business model, right?
Yeah.
So that is definitely working. So you have a unique design.
Thank you.
Now how are you going to exponentially grow?
Well, so we can do that really quick because we're partnering with the beauty mystery subscription companies that do monthly, bi-monthly, and quarterly. And we have, some of the biggest companies willing to put our product in there. They're actually going to pay us for our product, a 10% of whatever the manufacturer retail selling price is. So it would cost us a little bit of marketing dollars to get it in there, but we could easily get as many razors as we could afford to give out, into the customer's hands of these beauty mystery bundles. They get very excited to see new product, and then they would come back to us to get a refill cartridge. We're also planning to be the only person to sell the refill cartridge. So all the customers will come through the website to purchase another cartridge for the handle that they get with the starter kit.
So that is definitely, but you're still depending on some channels, right? In short.
And we have retail channel with Urban Outfitters willing to put it in the store. I'm also very open to doing private label with anyone that wants to put their name on our razor. So that way, when people want to refill it, they can come back to us to purchase it. The design is so unique, and the company being named 5-Star, I think it explains itself a little bit, where if you're going to look for a star razor, and you type that in, we would come up on Google.
I get that. So step 2, you obviously amplify, they will come back to you. But that's the step two. Step one is buying a razor. Step two is refilling the razor. So do you
Right.
have letters of intent? Do you have like everything documented? They're going to kickstart. You have a defined date to launch with all these people you mentioned?
Do I have a defined launch date?
Yes.
Well, I need to fund the company. The machinery required to wrap the wire around the blade is very expensive, and it takes up a huge chunk of our money to be able to make that. So that takes about 4 months to make.
Okay. So my
And
question is, let me go back to my question.
yeah, I'm having a hard time hearing. Sorry.
Okay, no problem. That's fine. I'm more closer to the microphone. My
Okay.
question is in very simple manner is do you have, so you say I go to J&J and say if I get 6 million in less than 4 months you will start the production, right? And you will launch in
Yes.
fifth month, right? So do you have such kind of a structure or some kind of
Yes.
intent of whether do you have something like that?
I have a timeline of where everything needs to be, purchased in order to meet that deadline.
So my question
The
is again I'm going to finally repeat the question. Do you have some form of verbal or written agreement that if I get 6 million, I'll produce in 4 months and I'll come to your website to sell the razor in 6 months. You have some kind of a structure. Is it a yes or no question?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Our website is also live. It's just a link that's not easy to just pull up. We haven't started yet, but we plan on starting 5-Star Elements first and getting our products also with Ipsy, FabFitFun, and Glossybox um, in that category, and selling the razor, pre-saling it for a wait list.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Amanda.
You're welcome.